So we're back here in my kitchen, Keto Naturopath Kitchen, and I have a special treat today. We're making pad Thai sauce, keto pad Thai sauce. I love Thai food. I think it has a lot of sugar in it, so I will be trying to replicate a lot of Thai and maybe even Chinese dishes to make them clean keto. But this is my pad Thai sauce. I start off with a tablespoon of lime juice, and I use bottled because it's easier to get all the time. We did buy a lime plant, and supposedly it will survive our zone in North Carolina, so we'll see. And we also got a lemon plant. And again, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of keto ketchup. This is my keto ketchup. If you don't have ketchup, you can use tomato paste, but I have ketchup made up. So I'll put a teaspoon of my ketchup, and I'm making a mess. A half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. I got this in the Asian section of the grocery store. I also saw some at Walmart. I got this at Food Lion. So fish sauce, 3 tablespoons. Whoops. 1.5 teaspoons of garlic chili paste. I like hot spicy, so 1.5 tablespoons. A teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. Whoop, a little bit too much. And a tablespoon of peanut butter. Good thing I happen to have peanut butter. I don't have peanut butter a lot, so tablespoon of peanut butter. What I used to make a lot before keto was chicken satay, which has peanut butter sauce. So I'm going to try to ketofy that. And then we have 3 drops of liquid stevia or any sweetener you prefer, and some cilantro. I checked outside. It's been very hot here. I wasn't sure how our cilantro plant was doing, so I wasn't sure. What I did is I picked a lot of cilantro about a week before it got really hot, put it in my dehydrator. This is my dehydrated cilantro, and let me tell you, it smells so good. I have an Excalibur dehydrator. I have had that because we attempted to eat raw at one point, which means you can only dehydrate things, which also means it's a lot of nuts, so it didn't really suit us all that much. So this, since it's been so hot, my cilantro is pretty bare. I love cilantro. I'll put a little more in. These are very small cilantro leaves because it's just new growth. And you whisk this all up. That tastes good. So then I have some Palmini angel hair draining, so I'll go get that and I'll be right back. So in this bowl I have a can of Palmini angel hair. I like Palmini because it's real food. Carl likes the seaweed noodles, which I used to get at Whole Foods. I don't have a Whole Foods near us anymore, so I can't find that. You can also use Miracle Noodles, and there's this Keto Asian Recipes, I think it's called, where she makes her own with egg whites. And we do a precision PSMF course, and we have a group, and people are saying, oh, look at these noodles made with egg whites. Are they good for PSMF? And so I looked at the recipe, and no, they're not good for PSMF. There's a lot of carbs in it. Yes, it's all fiber, but we count total carbs, not net carbs. So no, it's not good for PSMF. But I thought, why don't I try making them? I love making my own recipes. So I did try it, and I could do it. You have to make it ahead of time, a day or two before you actually want to use it. It was a lot of work, and you had to get special ingredients, which is all fiber. And I thought they were good, but they tasted just like Miracle Noodles. And I'm like, for me, I'd rather just buy Miracle Noodles if that's what I want. But I like the Palmini. So if you want to try that, I think it's Keto Asian recipes. I'm not sure. So to this, I'm adding some cooked shrimp and an egg that I scrambled. My goal here was just to show you how to make the sauce and not the whole pad thai. So this is not complete pad thai, but I thought, well, I can't just show you the sauce on the noodles without some protein. So you take the sauce, you pour it on the noodles, mix it all in. I might put a little bit of cilantro on top just to decorate. As I mentioned, I love cilantro. So now it's time to taste it. Get a couple of shrimp here. More cilantro because you can never have too much cilantro. Keto pad thai. Oh, this tastes amazing. Enjoy.